All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to put on the screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the Olixar setup here. Now my tempered glass for the Whitestone Dome started to crack around the edges from taking it in and out of cases and things like that. And it's not cracked, but just chipped. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and just take it off, and I'm going to put on a new glass. A new screen protector instead of another glass. So I decided to go ahead and put on the Olixar, however they pronounce it, screen protector. So you get one of these adapters in the box, and what you do is you plug it into the bottom down here with the Type-C port. And it's going to guide you with the screen protector. So when you're putting it on, you won't have any issues with it. And here's the screen protector. You get a cleaning kit in the box, in the packaging. That's what you get. So the first thing you do is you want to peel this area right here off. You want to take this off when it comes time. I think this is how you do this one. Yeah, start here. So what you do is you put it on like this, lift, pull like that. That's how you do it. So first I'm going to go ahead and clean it some more. Some of them you have where you peel off the center. This is not one of them. So I've got my dust removal here. The most important part about putting on a screen protector, whether it's glass or just a regular screen protector, dirt. That's it. Dirt. So you want to go ahead and put this down in the little groove right here. That's what the guide is for. So now I think I'm good as far as dirt goes. I cleaned it up pretty good before this video started, actually. And I took my glass off. So here's the part right here where you can kind of lift it up and get it situated, make sure it's even the way you want it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend here and push forward like this. Boom, just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. And you can see I'm kind of getting it all down. And this is a process that I got kind of used to doing when it came to, I'm going to take this off now. I'm going to be sliding forward. I like that they give you a little guide. This is a process I got used to doing thanks to Rinky. Yeah, so this is an easy one push motion. I see some dirt right there. Check for the dirt, folks. Check for the dirt. It crawled up in there. Don't push it down unless you're sure you got all the dirt. And it'll creep back in there. And that might have been on this back portion because I didn't bother cleaning that. But if you get dirt in there, it's a wrap. These new screen protectors, the way you put them on, I think it's really dope. Like this. Just a simple guide like that helps you out a lot. So now that the screen protector is officially on, technically, I'll peel off this entire section. And what I do is I go ahead and guide it with this right here while I'm peeling. I put the soft microfiber cloth on here and I'll lift a little bit. As you can see, it's pretty much good. Yeah, it came off. And now with this being a curved display, I'm going to take this, I'm going to wipe down the sides just like that. Now let's go ahead and do it for this side too. And that, my folks, is an install. Little bubble right there, but I'm not too much worried about that. It'll work its way out. Bubbles kind of work themselves out unless it's dirt. If it's dirt and you want to lift it, you're gonna have to lift it and get the dust removal tool up under there and do it. But I don't recommend you lift screen protectors, man. I recommend you take your time and get it clean. So here it is, man. The Olixar. Yeah. Got to give them some kind of brand recognition right there in the video. They did supply this screen protector. They actually supplied it a while back when they gave me their cases. But I just didn't use it because my Whitestone Dome was still good. But there it is, folks. The Olixar. Screen protector installed. It looks good. And I don't have to set up my fingerprint again. Yeah, I think that might be a little piece of dirt over there. But that's not going to bother me at all because when the screen is on, can't even see it. And it feels good, actually, to kind of have just a regular screen protector on here. Some of you guys don't rock with screen protectors at all. I do. I like to have some screen protector on there just to help with, little nicks and stuff like that. That's just me. So there it is, the Olixar screen protector. And actually, it comes with they put it in like this little kit. And it has its own little case here. But this is, it's nice. I showed you this already, I believe. This is kind of like a combo they sent. But I have so many of these, and I have a stronger version of this case right here. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, there it is, man. It's your man Jay. Look at how clear that looks. I'll test the fingerprint reader for you. Let me swiping mechanisms. The screen feels great. All right, so there we go. Now I'll go ahead and put it back off and show you this. The screen protector is definitely going to work. I need to let it sit idle for a second so it can lock. There we go. Yeah, it's definitely going to work because this is just a screen of plastic over top. So it feels good to have a regular screen protector back on there. So there it is, folks. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm ready now. Shout out to Olixar for supplying the screen protector. Take care.